Please subscribe and click the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hi and hello everybody, this is Dr. Grace and back in a video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to build a RC Bluetooth remote control car using Arduino. For this project you need hot glue, scissors, plier if needed, and a screw set and screwdriver, and of course soldering iron and also a mask. And here you need some wires, a rubber band, some rubber bands, jumper cables. This is male to male, this is female to male, and power supply for the Arduino, some bars if needed. And these are the motors which I soldered with the wheels, 4 motors, 4-wheel drive, and the power bank to power the Arduino, and the Arduino cable, data cable. I just used this fan to make the smoke of the soldering iron to go. And the L2 9, 8, 10 motor driver. So this is the L2 9, 8, 10 the motor driver. The Arduino UNO. The HC05 Bluetooth module, and I have a soldering bowl, like a soldering solder wire. Sorry. Yep. And now let's go into the making process. And guys, this is the part A of the video, the part 1. In this video we'll be making the chassis of the car. I just use a normal cardboard. The measurements are the length is 25 centimeter. Just measure it for you guys. As you can see, 20, and again a 5. Yep, 25. And here it's 10. I have to cut it from that part. Just measure it again. I'm sorry, if not 10, 15. I'll put the measurements in the description. And now I will cut this, and I'll be back. And guys, I've cut the cardboard and I've shaped it, and now let's go and fix the motors. And guys, now I have connected the hot glue, and as you can see there's a green light blink coming. A green light is visible, you can see. Sorry for the condition of my hot glue, just using it and it became bad. And now I just did some small measurements to place the 4 motors. There's a gap between 3 centimeter, here 3, this is centimeter, and also here I marked, and here also there's 3 centimeter up to here. And this is 12.5, the center of 25. And also here also there is I marked 3, and also here 3. The motor should come like this on the part which I marked. And now let's go for the pasting. And guys, as you can see that I have connected all the motors. I have fixed all the motors. Done, and done. And as you can see, I'll just roll it and it goes smoothly, as you can see that. And in the next video I'll be showing you guys the wiring, and also please make sure to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.